Goa Assembly on Friday passed that the Goa Bhumiputra Adhikarani Bill 2021, granting Bhumiputra, that means son of the soil, status to a person residing in Goa for at least 30 years. It was passed along with a host of other bills, even as opposition MLA staged a walkout demanding that they will be referred to a select committee and not passed in hazard. Many Goans are also not happy with this bill. Watch why.
आता आमी कितलींशीं डिपार्टमेंटां पळयता, म्युन्सिपालिटी, पंचायत, हांगासर इल्लिगल एनक्रोचमेंट किंवा इल्लिगलांचेर जर कंप्लेंट करीत जाल्यार सरकार कसलीच एक्शन घेना, ते डिपार्टमेंट कसलीच एक्शन घेना. फॉर एग्जांपल आयज जर खंयसल्या तरी ओनराचेर कोणी तरी एनक्रोच केला आनी तो कंप्लेनी करता, फावटी मारता, ताचेर एक्शन जायना. आनी हे एक्टान जर तेचें घर जे इल्लिगल बांदता ते जर एक्टान इल्लिगल जाता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जो कोण लँड ओनर आहा तेच्यार खंय तरी अत्याचार जाल्लो आहा, कित्याक जे मेरेन त्याच्यार ह्युमन रायट वायलेशन जाल्लें आहा अशें म्हाका दिसता. कित्याक तेका स्वखुशीन तो प्रॉपर्टी दिवंक सोदिना, पूण सरकार एक कसलें तरी बील हाडटा आनी ते बिला थ्रू ही जी बॅकडोर एंट्री जी इल्लिगल जे कोण एनक्रोच करतात किंवा ड्वेलिंग्स बांदतात तांकां सरकार म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी तांकां सपोर्ट करता. सो म्हाका
आयज ह्या सरकारान जे गोवा भूमिपुत्र अधिकारी बिल 2021 पळय पास केलेलो आसा, हो एक लोकांक पिश्यांक काडपाचे आनी एक फकत एक इलेक्शन गिमिक्स आसा. आतां ही बिल कितें म्हणटा, जे कोणेन घरां बांदलां फॉर द लास्ट एंड रिजायडींग इन गोवा फॉर लास्ट 30 years आनी जे घराचे लँडाचे रायट्स ना, ही बिल तेका ह्या बिलाचेर हें घर रेगुलायज जातलें म्हणून. आतां हो गव्हर्मेंटाक म्हाका दिसता ह्या फकत इलेक्शन दीस पावले आनी आख्खे गोंयकार जे आसा आयज BJP एगेन्स्ट वतलेत तांकां खबर आसा. आनी जे दुसरी समाज जे आसा, जे स्पेशली द मायग्रंट पॉप्युलेशन जे आसा, हांकां फटोवपाचो फूल प्लॅन ह्या गोंयच्या सरकारान केलेलो आसा. आयज ते म्हणटा कितें, जे घर इलिगल आसा पूण लँड रायट्स ना ते हूंय रेगुलायज जातले. इन दॅट केस हांव गोंयच्या CMाक विचारपाक सोदता की फाल्यां हांवें तुज्या घरा भितर एक घर बांदलें, तूं म्हाका हें घर रेगुलायज करपाक दितलें? हो लँड म्हाजो जातलो पूण तुमी कोणाक फटयता? आयज तुमी 2016 गोवा रेगुलायजेशन ऑफ अनऑथरायज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल 2016 पास केल्लो.
While going through this bill, I have seen a lot of things that needs to be highlighted. The first thing, this bill is passed by the government and it says the bill is to provide for a mechanism to give ownership rights to the self-occupied dwelling units. My first question is, who is the government to decide over what has to be done about my property? If the government wants to decide about government property, it's different, it's public property. And there can be a process to decide. But who is the government to decide about my property? And here it says, Adhikarani means what? You are providing help for somebody to decide on my property. Isn't this anything less than a dictatorship? Isn't this robbery? Something that belongs to me is being taken away from me by force. Isn't that robbery? Isn't this against the Constitution of India, where I have the right to own a land? Out of my hard-earned money, I own a land. And I can choose to transfer this either by sale or by a gift deed. Or in Goa, we also have the Tenancy Act. But there is a huge difference from the Tenancy Act and this one. A Tenancy Act is giving the privilege to a tenant. Who is a tenant? A person who has served this landowner. And out of gratitude, it is given to protect his rights. But what has this person do? Who is going to be named as a Bhumiputra? Who is this person? An ordinary person who is staying in the state of Goa for 30 years. I may know him or never know him.